One of the new features a lot of our customers have really enjoyed is our new text messaging feature. This allows you to send a SMS text message to anyone inside of your database right through the Inspire Youth Assistant or Children's Assistant software. I'm going to show you how to do that today. First thing we need to do is make sure your email settings are set correctly. We need to go to Utilities, and we'll click on User Settings and Email Setup. You want to make sure that your email information is entered in here correctly, along with the email address and SMTP being checked. We usually recommend this as being the best option. If you choose MAPI, you're going to be clicking OK or Yes to a lot of windows that pop up because it sends it through Outlook. It's not really the best way. If it's the only choice you have, then it is an option you can use. The outgoing server settings, the SMTP settings, only activate if you've chosen SMTP as your option. You can put in your information here for your SMTP server. A quick note on an easy way to get this is going to your Outlook if you use that and copying the settings from Outlook into this window. It'll give you something to pull from. Otherwise, talk to your system administrator or whoever administrates your email there at the church, and they should be able to easily get this information in for you. Make sure that your authentication, the username and the password are correct inside of this option, and that SMTP requires authentication is checked. Once these things are done, you can click on Test Email Settings. It will send a quick test out, let you know if everything worked correctly. Looks like it did. It attempted one, it sent one. So we'll click Close and OK, everything's working correctly. Now what we want to do is go in and start assigning text message features to each person's cell phone that we want to enable text messaging for. So I can click on someone like Vicky Campbell and double click on her cell phone and insert the cell phone number. We do recommend that you insert the area code in with the phone number. This will make your text messaging work. You'll need to have the full 10 digits in order for this to work correctly. As far as the cell carrier, you'll just choose from the list we have available. Now, if you do not see the carrier that you would like inside of this list, don't worry. You can insert additional carriers into the software. I'll show you in 1 second how to do that. And you'll choose the carrier that you want to use, click OK. And now if you want to insert additional carriers, you can go to Utilities, System Administration, and click on Cell Carriers. And then you can click on Insert. I'm going to show you what one looks like so you'll know what to get. You give it a cell carrier name, and then you'll need to either get on the internet and find the SMS SMTP email address for the text messaging, or you can give the cell carrier a call and insert that address here that they give you. It should begin with an @ symbol. So we'll close out of this. Now that we have text messaging enabled for a few records, what we want to do next is go send a text message out. So we'll click on the print button up here in the top right. And in this case, I'm not going to send a text message to everyone. Now you do have the option of performing a search beforehand, and the search will allow you to narrow down your list of people. So maybe you just want to send text messages to everyone that is in 9th grade or has a birthday coming up. In this case, I'm just going to hand pick a few people, specifically my name, and we'll click on text message. Next thing we need to do is insert a text message since I don't have one in here already. We'll click on Insert, and under Description, we'll just give this one a name as Service Reminder. Click General. We'll click on the Next button. And from here, I need to choose the address or give a token that this text message is going to go to. All you need to understand is just click on Lookup Token, and it'll automatically take you to the individual cell phone and the text message token. I want to click on this one and click OK. This is actually giving the software the address it needs to send to in order for the text message to work. Under Subject, just treat this like you would any email and give it a subject. and then you can type in your message. Now, one of the benefits we have through sending text messages out of our system is that you can merge into your text messages. So I can merge names, for instance, into any text message I send out, whether that's 50 text messages at one time or just one. And I do that by adding in tokens. And I go to our token picker. Now, if you're not familiar with this window at this time, don't worry. We'll have other videos that'll show you how to use the token picker and reporting options. But what you can do is go in and type in name under the find feature here in the top and scroll down to individual name for this instance. All these items you're seeing here are what we call tokens. This is just a word we use for a merge field. So I'll click on individual name, and I want to choose first name for this instance. And it'll give me an example here at the bottom. Click OK. And now you can go ahead and type in the information that you would like to send in the text message. And then now that I've typed my text message, all I need to do is click on Finish. And now my text message is here. Remember that this text message is only going to go to the people that are checked out of this list. In this case, I'm just sending it to myself on this one. We'll click Text Message, click on the service reminder or the text message you want to send, and click on the Send button. It will process that. Everything looks like it finished completely. We'll click on Close. And that text message has gone out, and I just got it now if you hear the buzz happening on my cell phone. So we have the text message, it's all sent out. Remember, you can do this in bulk, so you can send as many text messages out at one time as you'd like. It sends it to each individual separately, and it looks like you just sent it to them, and you can merge their information into it. It's a great feature, really, really good for follow-up, especially for people that have been absent for a few weeks in a row, and just any kind of general contact. So I hope you enjoy it, and we'll move on to other videos.